Morning, Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. I believe it's April the 13th, Thursday. My wife gets off at 1. We're going to go to Cape Henlopen State Park in Delaware. Beautiful place over there. We love it. We love it actually in December. There's barely anybody in there, and we get to ride bikes all over like crazy and relax. But anyway, this video is about calcifying and water tank buildup and all that. So I'm going to show you what happens. I take all the screens and all out of everything, and I let it run. This is the first time I've winterized my beaver, and it's 24 years old. So there we go. Now watch. I'm gonna put on the cold water. She's been running great for a long time. Okay, the hot water out there, the hydraulic heater is running. Now watch. It don't take long. You start seeing a difference in the spray pattern. I want to be a liar because I've done it 3 times. I've run this one because it's easier to get to. There's a little difference right there. Put you on pause, you want to see water run for 5 minutes, right? Okay, you see the difference in the spray? Some debris has gotten up there. I'm going to put it on pause, shut this off. Doesn't look a lot, but you see it's small little crystals on there blocking that screen. And it's got another one below. All right. So what I'm going to do is take it apart. Look, you can see it on my finger. See the little crystals on my finger right there. Yeah, see them right there. There you go. Wipe them off. There you go. All right, so we're going to have to go through this repeatedly. Basically, I just let this thing right here. I don't kind of like it because I like to run it full blast. All right. So basically, my water tank needs to be flushed very much, but we're getting ready to go. So there you go. I'll flush it when I get to the campground. Have a nice day. This is Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. I am going camping. Let me show you something else that happened. The mirror fell off the backboard there. That one never had it. That one never had it. This did. It finally fell off. It didn't break in the garage, but we got a tub for this. This is a shower. So we got coming from another beaver, from another member. They're making their way over from California now. They're a Facebook member of our Rvdiagnostics and troubleshooting. So I guess they're going to give it to me. I'll give them a free year of my website. But the guy's very handy, the husband and wife team. They do a lot of contracting, so they put in their own shower and walls. So I just have to come up with the what's it called, Corian walls. I'm gonna get some thin Corian, make it look nice, put a tub in there for my wife. I don't know if it's got a jacuzzi jets in it. I might put them in there for her. I don't think we're getting rid of this beaver. She's solid. We keep saying we're going to get rid of it, but who wants to put out $120,000, $130,000 in cash at this time with this administration and the way things are going? People's 401s are going to heck. There, I guess I got a little political on that one, but you know, thank you. This is Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. Test, not guess. Safe travels. And may your campfire burn bright till we meet again. Where we're going to meet? At a campground. On the road where I'll beat my horn at you, my air horn. At our fueling station, whether you're getting gas or diesel. All right. Or here at the Rvdiagnostics garage and school. And you can see my other videos on testimonial. Another guy came with a C Alpha, had a blast for 2 days, man. Thank you very much, Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. The subject was decalcifying a water tank and catching all the stuff in the hot water.